Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing a beginner's guide on how to wear contact lenses with you all. So follow these simple steps to do it the right way. I'm going to be using these ones from Lenskart. I have the zero power colored lenses in the shade Tricky Turquoise. It also comes with the lens solution. So first things first, please keep in mind that you wash your hands thoroughly. You don't want any dust entering your eyes. So I've already done that. Then I'm just opening up the pack. Then I'm taking a earbud or a Q-tip, and all you have to do is just take out the lens onto the Q-tip. Just make sure that you're very gentle so that the lens does not tear. It should look something like this. After that, just make sure that you have a mirror close to you, and then what you have to do is just take your middle finger and just stretch your eye like this. Look up and just place the lens into your eye. Just massage it like this and it will automatically go on to your eyeball. And it's okay if your eyes water a little bit, that's totally normal. And just to ease out the process, just make sure that you don't blink a lot. And voila, you are done. Trust me, it is so easy. Practice is the key. And I'm thinking of glamming my face up a little just to show you the final look with the lenses. So let's get glammed up. Thank you for watching this video. For more such videos, subscribe to Lenskart.